Here's the situation. I got a leak in this pipe right here. So I had turned off the water, but I can't really see back here. So we found a use for these right here. I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. All right, so first of all, they have these little contacts things. So when I screw this in here, what it does is it establishes the contact. Now I just got to hang it, and then I can turn it on. So I've got one of these, and I'm just going to put it right into the roof here, right here. It's right there. Maybe I'll go here a little bit farther over. I'm just going to screw this in, just like that. I don't really need to get it too far in, but I'll just get it all the way. And then I'm going to take this, I'm going to hang it on it, like that. Now, we can go ahead, turn it on, and we're going to make it as bright as possible. Look at that. Look at that. Now I can see in here. Is that amazing? Now, what a difference, right? Instead of using the flashlight, I've got this bulb, and now I can see what the hell I'm doing to work on this. But these things are going to work out great for us. Thank God we got them. So what I did was I put these into the ceiling here, you know, two little things, and then we get them all hooked together, right? And then you just have to set them on there like that. Set this one on there like that, right? Let me pull back so you can see. And then I just grab my thingamabob, and I just have to flip it around because I got to get to the on button right there. And when I press it, let there be light. And then if you want to get it really bright, what I do is I hit 100% here, watch. And now I can see what I'm doing in here. So let me show you, I'll turn this light off. So that's it right there. I got a fan running here. But bam, that's how you do it. You got a space that's dark, there you go, you got portable bulbs, and they're rechargeable. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.